Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study mode. Now mode means what? The score repeating maximum number of times in a given data. Okay, we can find out mode for ungrouped data and for group data. Now example for ungrouped data 3, 4, 7, 3, 11, 3, 9 and 3. Here 3 is repeating maximum number of times. Therefore, mode is equal to 3. It is very easy to calculate mode for ungrouped data. Okay. Now for group data, this is an example. To calculate mode for group data, we need one formula. This is the formula to calculate mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now in the formula, L is equal to lower limit of the model class. Now model class means what? That I will explain you later. F1 is equal to frequency of the model class. F0 is equal to frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and last H is equal to class width. Solution: these are the class intervals and these are the frequencies. Okay. Now one condition is there, classes should be continuous. Now for this example 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 means classes are continuous. Okay. Now we have to find values of F1, F0 and F2. F1 means what? Frequency of the model class. Model class means what? A class which is having highest frequency. Now here highest frequency is 80. Therefore F1 is equal to 80. F1 is equal to 80. Now corresponding class of 80 is 4 to 5. So 4 to 5 is model class. Next, F0 is equal to frequency of the class preceding the model class. Now preceding means what? Which comes before model class. For example, now 4 to 5 is model class. Now 3 to 4 this class comes before model class. Therefore, and its frequency is 70. Therefore, F0 is equal to 70. F2 is equal to frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding means which comes after. 4 to 5 is model class and 5 to 6 comes after 4 to 5. Therefore, 5 to 6 is succeeding class and its frequency is 60. Therefore, 60 is equal to F2. Okay. And H. H is equal to class width. Now see, 4 to 5, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, H is equal to 1. And L. L means lower class limit. Therefore, L is equal to 4. Now let's put values in the formula. L is equal to 4 plus F1 is 80 minus F0 is 70 upon 2 times F1, 2 times 80 minus F0 is 70 minus F2 is 60 into H is 1 is equal to 4 plus 80 minus 70, 10 upon 2 8s are 16, 160 minus 70 minus 60 is equal to 4 plus 10 upon 160 minus 70 minus 60. 160 minus 70 minus 60 is equal to minus 30. Minus 130. 4 plus 10 upon 30, 0, 0 get cancelled. Therefore, mode is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 3. 4 plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 0.33. 4.00 0.33 is equal to 4.33. Therefore, mode is equal to 4.33. Thank you.